are back again. And you should be subscribed by now. If not, get on that. And tonight we are trying Chocorooms by the company that has been supporting us for a while, Meji. You know, you might know it's them from the Hello Panda episode and many other things we had. They just try to make the world a little sweeter. Sweet and crispy Chocorooms with milk and dark chocolate, crispy crackers, sugar, wheat flour, cocoa mass. Yeah, it says it. Yeah. Vegetable oil, palm, sunflower, shea. How many different oils they got in here? Illipi.
From shea, they scrape some oil off a lamp.
Canola and sal. They got sal oil? Like who's alright, sal oil. Milk powder. Yeah, there's a bunch of crazy stuff in here. They Japanese, you know. I ain't even gotta go through half their stuff. You seen anything they make, you know they crazy. Still love y'all. Don't be taking away my games and imports. How do you even get in this box?
It's got like a fancy top open box.
Oh, debonair with it. And then you gotta wrap it again. I'm figuring they're gonna be in there. It's all loose. I guess because you could pour them back in the box. Like, I just only want to eat one. There you go. They're like little chocolate mushrooms. Like cracker sticks and chocolate. So basically, instead of you dipping them in there, they already got the chocolate on there.
Oh yeah, they mix it with sweet.
That's kind of cool. Smell like
good.
What they made of, alright? What they taste like. A little hard. But that's because we have them in the fridge because we had a problem with all our stuff melting before we got to try it, so I changed that. It's not bad. They're good. I don't even like dark chocolate, but I can taste in there. It's actually a good dark chocolate, though.
I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate either.
No, this ain't bad, though.
They're exactly what they're supposed to be. They're mushroom shaped, chocolate, breadstick, shrooms. I ain't gonna get you, no.
The stick is kind of like a Twix with nothing on it.
Yeah, it's kind of like that center cookie.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Pretty good.
I like them.
Not mind blowing. They're cute that they're in the shape of mushrooms, I guess.
Yeah.
You can
set them up, make like a little model, something like a little, like a Mario, something like that.
Yeah. Do a whole video with these things.
Mm-hmm.
Alice in Wonderland, something. They're good though. You got Five Below next to you? Go there so you can get like all the Meji products.
All the Meji stuff there.
And a lot of things that we try on the show.
Ramen, that's where we got that from. Pretty good.
What do you rate them?
Little cookie crackers, they're chocolate. They're good. They're not even super sweet, so you can have kids eat these and not go so haywire.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them a 9. They're good. Solid 9. All day.
I'm gonna give them an 8. Pretty good.
Yeah. Never keep agreeing, but yeah, I'm gonna give them an 8. Definitely good.
Mm-hmm. Just put some of these away in case anyone else want to eat some. We'll eat this whole thing right now.
Yeah, if I get such a whole box.
But yeah, they're good. So,
Yum.
thank you for watching. Check out other episodes we got out there. Leave comments below. Leave your own ratings if you try these things. Send us all your feedback on what we can do and what y'all like and don't like. And catch you on the flip.
Peace.
Be easy.
Be good.